I am here. I am present. I am fully alive in this moment. This moment is mine. I claim it. I claim my space. I claim my truth. I claim my power. It resides within me. It's always been there. I just choose to see it now. I choose to feel it now. I am not waiting for permission. I am not searching for approval. I am simply being. I am being the powerful force I was born to be. I am worthy. I am inherently worthy. My worth is not earned. My worth is not conditional. It doesn't depend on what I do. It doesn't depend on what I have. It doesn't depend on what others think. My worth simply is. I am a unique expression of life itself. Flawed and magnificent. Whole and complete. Exactly as I am right now. There's no one else like me. And that is my power. That is my value. I don't need to prove myself. Not to anyone. Not even to myself. I am enough. I am always enough. More than enough. I embrace all parts of myself. The light and the shadow. The strengths and the vulnerabilities. They all make me who I am. And who I am is incredible. I forgive myself for past mistakes. I release the grip of shame. I let go of regret. I choose self-compassion. I speak to myself with kindness, with understanding, with unwavering love. I treat myself as my dearest friend, my strongest ally. I nourish my mind with empowering thoughts. I nourish my body with movement and health. I nourish my spirit with peace and joy. I am a temple of strength and grace. I honor this vessel. I honor this journey. I honor my being completely. My confidence radiates from within. It's a steady glow, a powerful hum. It doesn't waver based on external circumstances. It's my inner knowing, my deep certainty. I trust myself implicitly. I trust my intuition. I trust my decisions. I move through the world with ease and grace, with an unshakable belief in myself. I carry myself with pride, not arrogance, but a quiet, profound self-respect. I know who I am, and I own it. This confidence is not something I seek. It's something I embody. It's an energy that flows from me, impacting everything I touch. I am resilient. I have faced challenges. I have overcome obstacles. I have emerged stronger. Each experience has shaped me. Each scar tells a story of survival, of triumph, of growth. I don't break. I bend. I adapt. I evolve. My inner strength is boundless, carries me through every storm. It lifts me higher after every fall. I trust my ability to navigate life. I trust my wisdom. I trust my inner guidance. I am a survivor. I am a thriver. I am unbreakable. My spirit cannot be diminished. It expands with every challenge. It shines brighter with every victory. I am in control of my choices. I am the architect of my life. I decide what serves me. I decide what doesn't. I set healthy boundaries. With grace. With firmness. I honor my needs. I protect my energy. I say no when I need to. Without guilt, I say yes to what ignites me. To what expands me. To what aligns with my highest good. I take decisive action. I move forward with purpose. I create my reality consciously. I shape my destiny. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul. My power is undeniable. It's my birthright to lead my life with intention. I trust my abilities. I know my talents. I cultivate my skills with dedication. I am capable of achieving my goals. No matter how grand, I am capable of learning anything I set my mind to. I am resourceful. I am intelligent. I am creative. My ideas have value. My voice deserves to be heard. I speak my truth with conviction, with clarity, with power. I share my gifts generously with the world. I step into new challenges with confidence. I know I have what it takes. I am competent. I am highly skilled. I am always growing, always improving, always expanding my potential. My capabilities are limitless. I attract abundance. I deserve prosperity. I deserve wealth in all its forms. Financial freedom is my birthright. I attract loving relationships, healthy connections, mutual respect, and deep understanding. I attract vibrant health, energy that flows freely through me, vitality that pulsates in every cell. I am open to receiving all the good life has to offer. I am worthy of joy. I am worthy of peace. I am worthy of success beyond measure. I am worthy of profound love. I am a magnet for miracles. I attract everything I desire because I truly believe I deserve it. I am a vessel for abundance. I am a channel for good. My worth creates wealth. I live my purpose. I align with my true calling. My actions are guided by my deepest values. My life has meaning, profound and impactful. My presence makes a difference. I inspire others through my authenticity. I uplift those around me with my positive energy. I contribute to the world in my unique way. My authentic self is my greatest contribution. I am a leader. I am an innovator. I am a force for good in the world. I stand tall in my truth. I shine my light brightly. I don't dim it for anyone. I am here to create, to connect, to transform. I am here to live fully, to love deeply, to leave my positive mark on humanity. I see my future clearly. I envision myself thriving, prospering in every area of my life, glowing with health and vitality. I see myself surrounded by love, supported, celebrated for who I am. I am living a life beyond my wildest dreams, and I know I am capable of creating it. I am already that person. The future me is present now. In my choices, in my thoughts, in my actions, I am stepping into my greatness. Day by day, moment by moment, I am becoming more of who I am meant to be. My potential is limitless. My future is bright. I am excited for what's next. I am ready for everything awaiting me. I am the embodiment of self-worth. My value is intrinsic. It needs no validation. I recognize the divine spark within me. It's a powerful light, a guiding force. I honor my journey, every step of it. I celebrate my uniqueness, my quirks, my gifts. They are what make me extraordinary. I am perfectly imperfect, and that is my beauty, my strength, my truth. I treat myself with reverence, with respect, with endless love. I am my greatest supporter, my biggest fan, my unwavering advocate. My voice matters. What I have to say is important. I speak with clarity and conviction. My words carry weight. My opinions are valued. I express myself authentically. Without fear of judgment, I share my ideas freely, knowing they contribute to the collective. I am heard. I am understood. My communication is powerful and effective. I connect with others from a place of genuine self-assurance. I engage in conversations that uplift and inspire. I am a masterful communicator. My truth resonates. I attract healthy relationships, people who see my worth, who celebrate my victories, who support my growth. I release any connections that drain my energy, that question my value. I choose to surround myself with love, with encouragement, with positive energy. My relationships are balanced, built on mutual respect and understanding. I give love freely, and I receive love abundantly. I am worthy of deep connection, of genuine companionship. My heart is open. My spirit is vibrant. I am loved for simply being me. My body is strong. My mind is sharp. My spirit is free. I move with purpose. I think with clarity. I live with passion. I prioritize my well-being. I make choices that enhance my health. My vitality, my energy levels are high. My body feels amazing. My mind is calm and focused. My spirit is joyful and expansive. I am a testament to vibrant living. I honor my physical form. I listen to its wisdom. I fuel it with goodness. I am healthy. I am energetic. I am alive. I am a creator. I bring my visions to life. My creativity flows freely through me. I am inspired. I am innovative. I generate ideas that are impactful and meaningful. I manifest my desires with ease and grace. My intentions are powerful. My actions are aligned. I am building the life I dream of. piece by beautiful piece. I am a master manifester. My thoughts become things. My dreams become my reality. I create magic in my everyday life. My boundaries are firm yet gentle. They protect my peace. They safeguard my energy, communicate my needs clearly. I honor my limits. I prioritize my well-being above all else. It's not selfish. It's self-love. It's necessary. I teach others how to treat me by how I treat myself. I attract people who respect my boundaries, who honor my space. I am safe. I am secure. I am protected in my energetic field. I release the need for external validation. My validation comes from within. My inner compass guides me. My inner knowing affirms me. I trust my own judgment implicitly. I don't seek approval. I give myself approval. I celebrate my own progress, my own triumphs, my own unique journey. I am my own biggest cheerleader, my own most trusted advisor. I am confident in my own skin. I am secure in my own truth. I am financially abundant. Money flows to me easily and frequently. I am a powerful magnet for wealth. I manage my resources wisely. I invest in myself. I invest in my future. I am generous with my abundance. I share my wealth to make a positive impact. I am free from financial stress. I live a life of financial ease and comfort. I deserve all the prosperity that comes my way. I welcome it. I embrace it. I expand it. I am a magnet for opportunities. Doors open for me effortlessly. Synchronicity is my constant companion. I am always in the right place at the right time. I attract the resources, the people, the circumstances that align with my highest good. My path is clear. My way is illuminated. I step forward with certainty, knowing that the universe conspires in my favor. I am blessed. I am fortunate. I am guided. I am patient with myself. I allow myself to learn and grow at my own pace. There's no rush. There's no pressure. I trust the unfolding of my journey. I celebrate every small step forward. I extend grace to myself when I stumble. I pick myself up with compassion. I continue with perseverance. I am always evolving, always becoming, and I honor that beautiful process. I am a source of light. My presence brightens every room. My energy uplifts those around me. I spread positivity and joy wherever I go. I am a beacon of hope, a source of inspiration. My light is infectious. It encourages others to shine their own. I embrace my unique radiance. I let it illuminate the world. I am light. I am love. I am pure, positive energy. I am complete as I am. There's nothing missing, nothing lacking. I am whole. I am perfect in my imperfection. I embrace my true self, my authentic being. I stand fully in my power. I claim my worth. I embody my confidence.